Welcome to CarLerts, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive updates, and expert insights. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Range Rover Velar, a luxury SUV that perfectly blends elegance, technology, and performance. With its sleek design, cutting-edge features, and refined driving experience, this model stands out in the competitive luxury SUV segment. Stick around as we break down everything you need to know, from its stunning exterior to its high-tech interior, powerful performance, and pricing. If you love cars as much as we do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting reviews. Now, let's dive into the 2025 Range Rover Velar. The 2025 Range Rover Velar is a luxury SUV that perfectly blends style, technology, and performance. It stands out with its sleek design, refined interior, and a strong focus on cutting-edge features that make it one of the most desirable SUVs in its class. Exterior. Starting with the introduction, the Velar is positioned between the Evoque and the larger Range Rover Sport, making it an ideal choice for those who want a balance of luxury and capability without the bulk of a full-size SUV. It has received a series of updates for 2025, enhancing its exterior styling, upgrading its interior materials, and improving its performance options. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the first thing that catches the eye is the redesigned grille, which is now even more refined and seamlessly integrated into the front fascia. The slim LED headlights have been updated with the latest pixel LED technology, providing a sharper and more defined beam pattern for better nighttime visibility. The front bumper has been subtly tweaked to enhance aerodynamics while maintaining the clean, minimalist look that Range Rover is known for. The signature clamshell hood remains, giving the Velar its distinctive and elegant appearance. Shifting to the side profile, the Velar's proportions remain as striking as ever, with a smooth, uninterrupted beltline that flows from the front to the rear. The retractable door handles sit flush with the body, enhancing the aerodynamic efficiency while also contributing to the SUV's futuristic appeal. The side mirrors are aerodynamically sculpted and feature integrated turn signals. A selection of alloy wheels is available, ranging from 19 to 22 inches, with new designs introduced for the 2025 model year. The overall side stance exudes confidence, with a subtle slope to the roofline that gives it a coupe-like silhouette without compromising rear headroom. At the rear, the Velar continues its theme of elegance and modernity. The taillights have been updated with a new LED signature, providing a sharper and more distinctive lighting pattern. The rear bumper is cleanly integrated, with a hidden exhaust system that emphasizes the SUV's streamlined look. The subtle roof spoiler adds a touch of spoilerness while also improving aerodynamic efficiency. The power tailgate is standard, providing easy access to the cargo area, which offers generous space for luggage and everyday essentials. Interior. Stepping inside the Velar, the interior is a masterpiece of modern luxury. The cabin features a minimalist yet high-tech design, with an emphasis on premium materials and advanced technology. The new 11.4-inch curved touchscreen dominates the dashboard, serving as the main interface for the infotainment system. The latest Pivi Pro software offers faster response times, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with integrated Amazon Alexa for voice command. Below the screen, physical buttons have been minimized, with most controls now integrated into the digital interface for a cleaner look. The seating is wrapped in high-quality materials, with options including Windsor leather, sustainable Kavadrat wool blend, and new perforated leather-free upholstery for those who prefer an eco-friendly choice. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, with multiple adjustment options and massage functionality available on higher trims. The rear seats provide ample space, ensuring that passengers in the back enjoy the same level of comfort as those in the front. The ambient lighting system offers a selection of customizable colors, allowing occupants to tailor the cabin atmosphere to their preference. The panoramic sunroof, which comes standard on most trims, floods the interior with natural light, making the space feel even more open and airy. The new Meridian sound system provides an immersive audio experience with multiple speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin to deliver crystal-clear sound quality. Performance has always been a key highlight of the Velar, and the 2025 model continues to impress with its range of powertrain options. The base model comes equipped with a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 247 horsepower and delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those seeking more performance, the available 3-liter inline 6 mild hybrid engine produces 395 horsepower, providing strong acceleration and effortless highway cruising. The mild hybrid system enhances efficiency by recovering energy during braking and using it to assist during acceleration. The Velar is also available with an all-electric range in its plug-in hybrid variant, offering up to 40 miles of electric-only driving, making it a great choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying the benefits of an SUV. The standard all-wheel drive system ensures that the Velar maintains excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. The adaptive dynamics system constantly monitors road conditions and adjusts the suspension settings to provide a smooth and controlled ride. The air suspension, available on higher trims, further enhances comfort by adjusting ride height based on driving conditions. Off-road capability remains strong, with terrain response 2 allowing the driver to select different modes for mud, sand, snow, and rocky terrain. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Range Rover Velar starts at approximately $63,000 for the base model with the 4-cylinder engine. The mid-range trims, equipped with the more powerful 6-cylinder engine and additional luxury features, range from $70,000 to $80,000. The plug-in hybrid version falls within a similar price bracket, offering an alternative for those prioritizing efficiency. The fully loaded autobiography trim, with every available option, can exceed $90,000, making it one of the most luxurious configurations in the lineup. As the video comes to an end, the Range Rover Velar continues to set the standard for a modern luxury SUV. With its striking design, premium interior, and refined performance, it successfully balances elegance with capability, making it a great choice for those who want a stylish and tech-savvy SUV without sacrificing comfort or practicality. Whether you're looking for a daily driver, a family vehicle, or a luxurious road trip companion, the 2025 Velar is a strong contender that delivers on all fronts. That wraps up this in-depth review of the 2025 Range Rover Velar. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new model. Do you prefer its sleek modern design, or would you go for a competitor like the BMW X5 or Mercedes GLE? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Car Alerts for more detailed car reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.